This bedroom looked like a sad storage unit. 72 hours later, it looked like a 5-star hotel suite. And I spent exactly $100. Stay with me, because every single thing I did is renter-friendly, reversible, and honestly, kind of genius. Hey, welcome back to Cozy Space Makeover, the channel where we prove that a tight budget and a rental lease are not reasons to live in a boring room. If you're renting right now, and I know a lot of you are, you've probably heard the same thing over and over. You can't paint the walls, you can't drill, you can't do anything. And honestly, that's just not true. You just need to know the right moves. Today, I'm doing a full bedroom glow up for $100 flat. We're talking bedding, lighting, curtains, shelves, accessories, the whole thing. And when you move out, you take every single piece with you, zero damage. Rule number 1 in any room makeover, and I cannot stress this enough, your bed is the centerpiece. It doesn't matter what else you do. If your bedding looks cheap, the whole room looks cheap. I picked up a cream-colored linen duvet cover, and listen, it doesn't have to be actual linen. Linen look cotton works just as well, and it's a fraction of the price. I got mine for under $30. Here's the layering formula I use every single time. Base layer, your fitted sheet, keep it white or ivory. Middle layer, the duvet folded down about 1/3 of the way. This is that effortless luxury hotel look top layer. A textured throw in sage green. This is your color accent, and this one thing changes the entire energy of the room. Then pillows. You need 2 sleeping pillows in white cases, 2 Euroshams in cream, and 1 lumbar pillow. I went with a warm tone to complement the sage. Total for bedding, $34, and the room already looks 50% better. I'm not kidding. Look at the before shot. Look at it now. Okay, this is the step that most people skip, and it is the single biggest mistake you can make in a small bedroom. I'm talking about lighting, your overhead light. Turn it off. Actually, do you want to know a trick? I bought a smart bulb for $7, put it in the existing ceiling fixture, and set it to 2,700 Kelvin. That's warm amber. Suddenly, even your ceiling light doesn't feel like a hospital anymore. But we're not stopping there. Layer 1, a plug-in table lamp on your nightstand. I went with a rattan base. It fits the organic, warm aesthetic perfectly, and a cream drum shade. This one was $14. Plug it in, done. No drilling. Layer 2, LED strip lights behind the headboard or under the bed frame. These take literally 4 minutes to install. Peel, stick, plug in. I set mine to a very warm amber. We shed not that harsh blue-white that looks like a gaming setup, and place them behind the bed. The glow this creates on the wall, it looks like something from an Airbnb listing. Under $10, enormous impact combined. Your room now has depth, warmth, and that cozy golden hour feel 24 hours a day. And you spent less than $30 on all layers. Let's talk curtains, because this trick is going to make your room look twice as tall and twice as expensive. Here's what most people do. They hang curtains at window height. Here's what interior designers do. They hang them as high as possible, right near the ceiling, and let them puddle slightly on the floor. Now, in a rental, you're probably thinking, I can't put holes in the wall. And you don't have to. There are 2 options. Option 1, tension rods. They work inside the window frame and support lightweight curtains beautifully. Option 2, adhesive hooks, the heavy-duty Command brand strips, placed near the ceiling. They hold a standard curtain rod with 0 wall damage. I've moved 3 times with these, never lost a deposit. For the curtains themselves, sheer white linen look panels, floor length. They soften the light. They make the room feel airy and open. And in our beige and sage palette, they look absolutely effortless. This one change, I want you to really look at the before and after here. Now let's talk about the two things that completely changed the personality of this room. First, the wall above the bed. This is prime real estate that most renters leave completely blank. 3 abstract art prints in thin natural wood frames, arranged in a clean row. Black, beige, cream tones, nothing loud, nothing trendy, just timeless. No drilling required. Heavy-duty adhesive strips hold every single frame. You take them down when you move, 0 damage, 0 stress. And that wooden clothing rack in the corner, this one surprised me the most. It's not just storage. Styled with neutral linen pieces, cream, ivory, sage green, it becomes a design element. It fills the corner, adds height, adds warmth. Suddenly, your bedroom looks intentional, curated, like someone who actually cares about their space lives here. 2 simple additions, 1 completely different room. That's the whole point of this makeover. You don't need to own the walls to make the space feel like yours. And finally, the floor. A small area rug next to the bed. Even a 2x3 rug changes the texture of the floor and anchors the space. I got a simple cream jute look rug for $12. Lay it down. Done. Okay, here it is. Same room, same rental, same 4 walls you're not allowed to paint, $100, a few hours of work, and look what happened. The warm amber light hits the cream bedding, the sage green throw pulls your eye to the bed, the curtains make the ceiling disappear, the shelf has intention, the mirror opens up the space. This room feels like a sanctuary now. It feels like you chose every single element because you did. And here's the part I love most. When you move, and renters always move eventually, every single thing you see here comes with you. The bedding, the lamps, the curtains, the shelves, the rug. You pack it all up, you get your deposit back, and you do it all over again in the next place. This isn't just a makeover, it's a system. So let's recap the full breakdown. Bedding, cream linen duvet, layers, sage throw, pillows, $34. Lighting, smart bulb, table lamp, LED strips, $28. Curtains, sheer white panels hung high, $16. Accessories, $22. Total, $100. 0 damage to the walls, 0 risk to your deposit. If this helped you even a little bit, hit that like button right now. Seriously, it takes 1 second and it helps this channel more than you know. Subscribe to Cozy Space Makeover if you haven't already. I drop new transformation videos every week.